Hi, I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to talk about the best fruits for juicing. There are certain fruits that juice really, really well and others that don't juice so well. For example, pineapple and watermelon make beautiful juice in the juicer, whereas strawberries and peaches and nectarines don't generate a lot of juice. Blueberries, for example, don't generate a lot of juice. So avoid juicing berries and stone fruits and focus more on really high water content fruits. Remember that you can juice fruits and their rind. Think about juicing fruits whole. For example, when I juice watermelon, I juice the watermelon with the rind, and the rind is full of chlorophyll. And in addition, the rind helps to dilute the intense sweetness of the watermelon. Cantaloupes also taste delicious when juiced. Juice a whole cantaloupe and you'll see it comes out like a latte. Top it with a little bit of chai spice and you'll be amazed at how delicious it is. When we're making green juices, I love to use lemons and limes because it really cuts out the green taste and makes it taste more like lemonade. When mixed with green juices, pears and apples are also absolutely delicious. Whenever you're going to juice high sugar fruits, be sure to dilute them by half, either with water or with green juice.